You guys are in for a treat today. We're gonna show you what to do after you catch the Muay Thai kick. You're not only gonna learn how to catch the kick, you're gonna learn how to counter the kick with a kick, and we're gonna teach you guys how to do some sweeps and some dumps from catching the kick. The first thing we're gonna give you is the way to catch the kick properly. Is when I catch the kick, first things first. Come on, I don't wanna kick, bam, and catch the brute force of that kick. No. That can put you down immediately. So if he kicks hard, like a real good kick, and I just, it's gonna hurt a lot. So when you're catching the kick, you wanna take a slight step to the side, but you have to make it natural because you don't wanna seem like it's double dutch. When I say double dutch, I mean like, is he gonna kick now? Is he not gonna kick? Is he? No, it doesn't work that way. You have to do it naturally. So doing this drill, you're gonna develop that, so don't trip. We're gonna show you how to do this from the bottom to the top. First things first is the feet. When he kicks, I take a slight step. Kick, bombs. That's it first. Here to here. Again, kick, bomb. Step to the side. You've got the legs. Now we're going to get with the arms. Kicks, bomb. Right there. I'm curling with my arms. Say when you do a bicep curl, that's the way I catch my kick. So he kick, and then I, bomb. It's right there, nice and tight. You want to get your shoulder up. You don't want to step to the side. You don't want to curl with this arm and keep this shoulder low because we're playing a game of chess. What if he tricks me? What if he bang and then head kicks? What if he looks down and then goes straight head kick? So you want to be thinking 2, 3, 4, 5 steps ahead of them. You have the feet, you got the arm, now peep the shoulder. Kick, bang. My shoulder's protecting my chin. Now you have the legs, now you got the curls, now you got the shoulder. What about the rear hand? It's a couple options that you can use on the rear hand. So when he kicks, sometimes people say, boom, here, and protect. Sometimes people double catch. They use both hands. My kick, look, boom, here. So it all depends on what you like. Which one you like better?
I like that.
You like both hands? I think with the double hands, it takes a little bit more pressure off. You control that power of their kick a little bit better. When they're kicking, it's more like a stop, right? You're using your palm to stop the kick. Kick, so it's a boom. It's a kind of stopping right there. Let me give it to you. Pause. Here we go. There we go. Very good. I want that shoulder up a little bit higher though. There we go. Break. So guys, you have the fundamentals of it. We've given you the feet. We've given you the curls of the arm. We've given you the shoulder. We've given you the option of the rear hand. Now we're going to give you the head. We told you we're going to start from the top to the bottom. We ain't capping. One more. Watch my head. Boom. See? It goes back. We don't want you to do everything right, but the head doesn't go back. Because couldn't you kick punch? If you kick punch, go ahead, kick punch. Kick and boom. Or as soon as you catch, you can start punching. Sometimes the guys will catch, and as soon as you catch, they boom, boom. So you want to think ahead of them, like I always tell you. So you want to get your head back. You got to get your head back. One more time. Let me get a quick kick. Boom. See, here. I'm leaning. He can't even throw it. Now that you got the basic Muay Thai fundamentals of the Muay Thai catch, we're going to show you a few counter moves. First counter attack, catch and throw. Sounds just like it is. I catch and then I throw. Here we go. Catch, kick, pop, catch. I've caught the kick and then I throw. Watch what I do, guys. I take a step back. Boom. I can't throw it through my body. Hand is still protected and then I throw it. Boom. Easy. Ooh, now I don't want that one. Saya, boy. These are a few mistakes that I see beginners make. When they catch, it's too weak. And then they start from here. Not good. Again, as soon as you catch it, pop, throw it, boom. You see, I pass it through, but I throw it strong. I don't throw it weak. I like that one. Again, oh, no problem. Move. Ooh. I'm a nice guy, though. So as soon as you catch it, you have to throw it, but you want to learn how to do it properly. You can learn this from the catch and throw drill. Let's just give them a small taste of the catch and throw. You just go back and forth with a partner, but you take your time until you develop the habit of doing it correctly and precisely. I kick, bang, throw. Let him get back. Bang, throw. Let him get back. Pop, throw. Let him get back. Pop. I don't even step. I just move my waist. Keep my hand up. Okay, I don't drop it. I keep it waist level. Then I throw. Next up on the menu, one of my favorite. To me, it's the safest, especially if somebody's taller kicking you. They kick, very simple. Boom. I get my head back, just like I caught. Lead hand, rear leg, counterclockwise. Watch. Whoop. Boom. One more time. He kicks. Bam. I catch it. See? This lead hand is going to make the top go down. But if I do this, can you balance yourself if I just do this? Yeah. So you have to clip his back leg, but you lean back. That way he can't punch you in the face. Even if they're very tall, this will work. So you don't necessarily have to grab this if they're tall. Sometimes you can just put it on their chest. So look, here, rear, rear, same time. Whoop. That's it. So now let's see it a little bit faster. So now you have that back leg kick. So now I want to give you the front leg kick, but you have to be very careful with this one because it's easy to get countered, especially with that lead hand, and if they have good balance. So this is about speed, which you'll develop through the catch and throw. When he kicks, wham, I'm not going to throw it, but one big step, it kicks the base leg, whoop, right there. Boom, make sure you have it. If it's a soft kick, can you pull it out? He can pull it out easy. He can even pull me towards him if he hooks his back foot. So you got to make sure that's tight. This is the key. When they kick, wham, I don't stay flat because now he can balance all day. I slightly go up. All right, you feel that? It's a little bit harder, right? He kicks, you go up, you keep this hand tight, you don't have to keep this shoulder up, and you keep your head away. That way he can't punch you. Easy enough. For this next technique that you can use after you catch the Muay Thai kick, what do you call it, Tito?
Call it the underhook sweep.
I believe this is one of your favorite moves, am I right?
Yes, most effective to me.
Tabernacle. We're still going to use our basic fundamentals like you've learned at the beginning of this content. He kicks, I still catch. I'm still protected. Guys, remember, you can't put the foot through the body, so you have to make this move fast and effective. So what I do is I step back, put it under on my forearms, push it, bop. Oh my goodness. I can run him down. Long knee, I can, one more time, pop, I can just a little bit bump, and then, oh-wee, it's so much you can do with that. Or you can flip them on their dome piece. Pause, here. Pop, I'm not going to do it to you, but it's a quick boom and hit that back leg. Wham, he'll go down. Somersault, one more time. Pop, I've caught it. Okay, I'm protected now. Everything's good. Move the waist back. Move the waist back. This is my waist. Move it back. Same time you're moving it back, you're going under. Okay, so all I'm doing. Whoop. For this next one, this is a special one. It's very advanced, but I know that you can do it. We're going to do the catch. For the full version of this latest video, click the link in the description or the pinned comments and lock into the KMA online Muay Thai training program. Also, check out our shop for all your Muay Thai training needs and apparel to get you real dripped out. Click this next video right here for more Muay Thai content from us. We know that you're going to enjoy it.